Want to master forms in SwiftUI with real-time data observation and seamless validation? In this complete tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional dynamic form that responds to user inputs. Let's get started and take your iOS apps to the next level. So this is the app we will create. It enables the user to enter their username. And as I enter my username, you can see the progression within this bar. Enter my email address. Password. Gender. Hobbies. And also we can select a photo, but that's optional. And then we can submit the form. Xcode is a little bit slow again. So this is the application feature that we will create. In this tutorial, we will implement the details view to give the user the option to display what they have submitted. Within your SwiftUI project, create a new struct and then name it details view. Delete lines 12. And we can also delete the preview. The next thing we need to do is to declare a property. Let form model. And the purpose of that property is to hold the data for the form model. And then the next thing we need is a VStack. Alignment.leading. Spacing 20. And the purpose of line 14 is to arrange elements vertically with leading alignment and 20 points of spacing. Scroll view. Purpose of the scroll view is to relate like GUI elements together. HStack. Within the HStack, we need a text element. That's called username. font weight, bold, spacer, to add spacing between the label and the value, form.username, on lines 20, that should be moved above lines 11. It's in the wrong location. Then we need another closing bracket. Now we need to remove another bracket. Let's see if that works. Must have deleted something by accident. There should be a bracket there. And a bracket at the end. The next thing we need to do is to add a horizontal line to divide the username and the email address. Divider, hstack, text, email, dot font weight, bold, spacer, text, form.email. And then we need another divider after lines 33. Divider, hstack. This time is for the password. Dot font weight. Dot bold. Spacer. Text. Form password. And then we need another divider for the gender that was entered. Divider, hstack, text, gender, font weight, bold, spacer, text, form, selected gender. And then we need another divider for the selected hobbies. After lines 49, divider, hstack, text, hobbies, dot, font weight, dot both, spacer, text, form selected, hobbies, dot join, separator, comma. So what that does, it displays the selected hobbies joined by a comma. And what else do we need to do? In the next tutorial, we'll create the element to capture the profile picture, the profile photograph of the person, of the image that the person selected from the camera. Thank you for joining us. If you found this tutorial helpful, please comment, like and subscribe. See you next week.